Now, in this question of differentiation, we are given if under root 1 minus x raised to the power 6 plus under root 1 minus x raised to the y raised to the power 6 is a times x cube minus y cube, then we have to prove that dy by dx is x square over y square whole under root 1 minus y cube over 1 minus x cube. Now, first thing that we will do here is, let's say we'll be writing x cube as, yeah, we'll take x cube as a sign. I cannot take sign a because a itself is a one constant given, say p, and y cube as sine q. Now, soon you will understand why I'm doing like this. This is because I can simplify this. This is 1 minus, this is x cube. X cube is x raised to the power 6 is what? X cube whole square. And we have x square as this. That means it's going to be sine square p. Similarly, this will become 1 minus sine square q. Now, 1 minus sine square is cos square, whose under root will be what? Cos. So this is cos p plus, okay, I didn't write down the RHS. The RHS was what? A times x cube, which is sine p minus sine q. So this is cos p, and this is, similarly, this is cos q here is equal to a, and this is remains same, that is sine p minus sine q. Now here onwards, I'll be applying the C and D identity. That is cos A plus B is what? Cos A plus B is 2 cos A plus B. Sorry, that's cos, yeah, A plus B by 2. That is P plus Q by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. That is P minus Q by 2 is equal to, this is 2 and there is a. And similarly, this is P sine P minus sine Q is what? Sine A minus B by 2. That is sine P minus Q by 2 into cos A plus B by 2. Cos P plus Q by 2. So what you can see, what is getting cancelled here is cos P by 2. This get cancelled. Even 2 get cancelled. Now, if I simplify, I can write either in terms of tan or cot. Let's say if I write in cot, this is cot P minus Q by 2 is equal to A. I transpose this to the other side, so cos by sine is cot. Or I can say that cot inverse, or I can write like this. This is P minus Q by 2 is what? Cot inverse A. Later, if I can transpose this 2 to the other side, and this will become. So now resubstituting the value of P from here, P is what? Sine inverse. P is what? Sine inverse x cube minus from here, Q is what? Sine inverse y is equal to 2 times cot inverse A. Now from here onwards, we will be differentiating both sides with respect to x. So sine inverse differentiation is what? The differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square, and x is this, so it's going to be x raised to the power 6. Is a minus sign. This is going to be 1 over same manner. And, oh, sorry, we have to apply the chain rule. There should be 3x here. Similarly, this is 1 minus y raised to the power 6 into 3y. And for y, it's going to be dy by dx is equal to 0 because this is a constant here. Now, if I isolate dy by dx on the other side, let's write in the first place, and then I'll simplify in the next step. This is on transposing this to the other side, right? we are getting this is 3x over under root 1 minus x raised to the power 6. 3 and 3 get cancelled. And in the final step, I'll isolate on transposing this to the other side. There will be x over y. And I can write in a single root as 1 minus, this will go above, right? And this is below. So 1 minus x raised to the power 6. I can see this is what we needed to prove in this question.